Hi, and welcome to the step in the onboarding process. Now, if you have if you have filled out correctly and to its best of its ability on the Google form, on the questionnaire, you would have known that we have actually asked you to fill out the best email for us to actually send you an invitation in our dedicated Slack channel. And on our agency, we have a communication policy where all of our communication is done via Slack. Now, the reason for this is actually because it keeps everything nice and streamlined and organized. You know, the last thing you want to happen is for you to send us over emails or us to send you over emails, and then everything gets lost in all of the other emails sent to mine or your inboxes. And if for the emails that you have sent to us, if you could just give us a couple of hours for us going through your filled out questionnaire, we would have got to the stage where we have actually received your preferred emails, either just for you or your team, or your team alone, for us to actually send an invitation. Now, for me to give you a quick tutorial of Slack, you see over here, it will say 360 digital / client. Now that would be your dedicated Slack channel. Now your dedicated Slack channel, once you've entered it, it will look something like this. Now, this is just absolutely amazing. It keeps everything nice and organized. And for example, you want to just send a message, you just send the message here and you can just send it over. If you do want to send any extra files, you can just go over here, or you can go over here, sorry, right here on the right, and you can just attach a file. You can attach an emoji, or you can mention someone. And specifically, if you want to talk to someone specifically, you can actually click on the app button here, and you can at them and speak to them directly, so then they get the notification. Now, I suggest you take full advantage of this application, because there is also a mobile app, so you can download this on your phone. See, now this is the reason why we have this as part of our communication policy, because this keeps everything nice and streamlined and organized. Now, for example, if you are now one of the other main reasons why we actually use this is because, for example, if we have told you something, you had a question for us, and we have given you the answer, and you've actually forgotten about it, and you want to recap on what the answer was to your question, you can just go up here, search, and you can actually type what you want to search, and it will actually come up with that specific keyword, phrase, or sentence, and you can actually go back and look on it. Now, we will actually send you an invitation to our dedicated Slack channel via the emails you have given us on the Google Forms. And from then onwards, we will actually send you an invitation. You will make sure you check your email. The email will be coming from Slack, and that will be an invitation to your dedicated Slack channel. Now, this is very essential, but I do understand there are certain regards and certain queries that could be an absolute emergency, where you can actually email me or actually call me or text me. But this is still the most streamlined way of doing it, as when you actually send a message, I get a notification on my phone, and I know this is 100% important, and I need to give this my full attention. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next step.